Hi, in this tutorial, we will going to talk about the indicators in SRS and how to create those indicators um, using table matrices. So in my example here, I have a table. Let me just show you guys. It's called food menu. All right. What does this consist of? It's exactly consists of item name, item type, cost to make, price. So I'm going to create a simple table with indicators here. Let's drag and drop table and let's expand this a little bit. Okay, let's add the item name here, the item type. Um, let's add the weekly sales. Let me add another column here and add the indicator here. Here, you need to, to choose the indicator type. Like here, you have directions, symbols, shapes, ratings. Sorry. So if you want to go to like directions, let's go to this one. Press OK. Let me just add here a name. I'm gonna like let's say call it sales. Right. Okay. Uh, let's add a color. Like this one like this. Make it white in the middle. Bulb. Okay. If I preview now, because see, I have not, configured the indicator yet. So what do you have to do after you add it here? You have to go right click on the indicator and go to the indicator properties and go to the value and the states. Yeah, status. Go to some what I'm going to use, it's the weekly sales, so some weekly sales. And if you want to use it as a percentage, you can do that, but I prefer to use the numeric. That will be more specific. And here you will going to specify each indicator or each color what's the what is gonna be measure of. So this one, I needed to like starting from 0 into 500, or let's say 700 here, 701 to let's say is 1500, like the weekly sales. If I have this weekly sales, it's, let's call it like this is average, and this is not like low weekly sales, and this is of course the better rate, it's 1500. um, this one you can specify as much as you want for the numbers, but we can do something. We can go to select the max number, go to aggregations, go to max, and go back here to the fields and go to the weekly sales, close the parentheses, press OK, press OK. Now let's preview it and let's see the color property. That what color he said is not valid. I'm sure is he talking about this? Oh, 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 cancel. Let me go here. Okay, the issue was with the color here. So now if we are see the indicators right now, it's goes or take the shape that's based on the what the weekly sales is. And see guys, between the 701 all the way to 500, 1500, sorry, it's a yellow row that's arrow that's point to the right, and that's the one that's less than 700. It will be a red arrow that's pointing to the bottom, to the down, and this is only these two that they are more than 1501. So 1501. So this is how to use the indicators, and you can simply change your shapes. Uh, about the action here, if you want to link your indicators to the URL, to the bookmark, you can do that as well. And yeah, this is how to build your indicator. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and see you for next videos. Thank you.